The idiots have been in charge way too long. And that's why you're here. For the podcast you need. All for liberty all the time. Welcome to Liberty Bites Back. With your host, Brandon Imel.
California's Proposition 16 was voted down. The people have spoken. They have decided to keep civil rights law. But now the Democrats are pushing it, and the Democrats nationwide are upset. Since they wanted to repeal civil rights law to allow racism back in America. The accomplishment of Martin Luther King Jr. was in the aims of destruction from the Democrats. They no longer want to treat everyone the same. They no longer want to be inclusive. They no longer want to be non-racist. Treating the greatness of treating everyone the same regardless of skin color for treating everyone differently based on their skin color. That's exactly what the Democrat Party wants. They want to treat everyone differently based on their skin color. That is their aims, that is their goal, and that is sadly what they will push with their ideology of intersectionality, critical race theory, and the political correct tyrannical 1984-like newspeak language that they use that lies to them all, and they believe in it. All of these create a weird type of racist Democrats pushing the abolition of civil rights law through the name of affirmative action. Affirmative action is the action of treating people positively due to their skin color, while also negatively treating others based on their skin color. But they just don't focus on the positive action. That's all they focus on. They just see the positive action that they're doing. They don't look at the negative that they accomplish through affirmative action. But with this proposition, it would not just establish that idea, but repeal the civil rights law, allowing the aims of negative and positive, and not just the misjudgment of the negative. With this repeal, it would have led to many aiming to even do the negatives. In the name of affirmative action, California was trying to push the repeal of the civil rights law. The people have spoken and rejected the racist Democrat plans. Here is how it was explained from a yes vote to a no vote in California. A yes vote supports the constitutional amendment to repeal Proposition 209, 1996, which stated that the government and public institutions cannot discriminate against or grant preferential treatment to persons on the basis of race, sex, color, ethnicity, or national origin in the public employment, public education, and public contracting. And a no vote opposes this constitutional amendment, therefore keeping Proposition 209, 1996, which stated that the government and public institutions cannot discriminate against or grant professional treatment to the persons on the basis of race, sex, color, ethnicity, or national origin in the public employment, public education, and public contracting. Now, the Democrats pushing a yes vote are showing that they are for discriminating against treatment to persons on the basis of race, sex, color, ethnicity, or national origin in the public employment, public education, and public contracting areas of their state. 6,589,502 people voted no, showing that they are not racist in the state of California. That was only 56.07% of the vote. And it's very sad that it was such a close vote. All people should have voted against this, to never allow discrimination in California. If they ever allow discrimination, that will be ridiculous in the United States of America. It's sad that Democrats are crying because they can't discriminate against people. They are so upset that they can't discriminate against treatment to persons on the basis of race, sex, color, ethnicity, or national origin in the public employment, public education, and public contracting. 5 million 5,163,743 racist Democrats voted for this racist proposal. And it's ridiculous to know that that many racists exist in California, all on the left, after the years of them saying that all their racist theories on the right. This surely exposes themselves in the history books. This will be written down. They will be shown for what they are. They wanted to get rid of civil rights law. 43.93% of the vote was for this racist allowance of discriminating against treatment of persons on the basis of race, sex, color, ethnicity, or national origin in the public employment, public education, and public contracting. Discriminating people on the basis of race, sex, color, ethnicity, or national origin in the public employment, public education, and public contracting should always be shunned. It's so sad that the left is falling into racism.